We're going to do a brief video on the S&P 500 technical analysis, and we've got a daily chart here for you of the S&P 500 E-mini futures contract on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. This is a daily chart with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. The S&P right now is down 46 points, and low for the day 35.02. High for the day so far 36.44. We had a tremendous 140-point sell-off here earlier this morning, and let's do a quick, you can't see that on this chart, but it is on a current updated chart. Let's take a quick look and see what's going on with the S&P 500. It looks like it has finally violated lows that we had been talking about, and it's not in a good position at all. It's made some tremendous technical blunders here this morning, and you can see it's has broken through. You can't see it on this chart, but we're at 35.02. So 35.02 is right about where my crosshairs is, right here roughly, and so we have broken through the 200-week support level, and the next major support level we've got here, which is really not that major, looks like 32.25. We've been talking about this market headed to 3,200 if it doesn't hold this 200-week support. And I would say that it's still too early to say whether or not it's going to head to 3,200, but it's definitely not being bounced off of by this 200 or bouncing off of this 200 week. You can see down here back in March of 2020 that it came down and rallied back up, but it did go down quite a bit past it, roughly 400 points roughly. It bounced off it really nice here in December of 2018. So it remains to be seen, but we're definitely not getting a bounce because it's already broken through it. This S&P 500 is definitely in a serious bear market. We know that, but the realities of it are, how low is it going to go before it gets some support? I think probably 3,250 to 3,200 is my best guess right this second. That's for entertainment purposes only, but I think you're probably going to back and fill a little bit, but I think you're headed to 3,200. Let's take a look and see what RBM Research said about it this morning. These are for today, the 13th, 30-day hold. We had a short out at 36.35. That would have been a really profitable short, over 140 points. If you'd put that out, 130 points roughly. If you'd put that out, keep in mind these are all for entertainment purposes only, but that was a profitable short, and it has been hit. And when I say profitable, all hypothetical, all for entertainment. Let's go down here and take a look at our algorithmically generated prices for SP 500 for this morning. These are non-trend following prices. They're out 35.80 to 35.87. These are still under the water. Again, for entertainment purposes only, but from 1 to 20 days, 35.80 to 35.87, and these would have been hit in their live prices, but they're still under the water. It remains to be seen. These, for discussion purposes, get in today, get out at the end of trading, at the end of the first trading day, all the way across the same thing. Get in on the 20-day hold, get in today, get out at the end of 20 trading days, and so forth for each column. So these are still live, and remains to be seen if this market's going to rally back up. But the trend following one is definitely holding up today already and putting in tremendous profit in the SP 500. You can get access to all these every morning before 7 a.m. and if you head over to our email and register, you can get them sometimes before 6 p.m. the night before for the most liquid futures contracts, including the SP 500, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid, the 190 plus stocks. Link in the description below, rbamresearch.com. No credit card required, free access. Head over there now and sign up with your email. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here, including the entry prices and our analysis, is for entertainment purposes only. You cannot use our entry prices for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.